Craving perfectly cooked juicy and tender chicken lollipops without the guilt of deep frying? In this video, I'll show you how to make air-fried chicken lollipops. These lollipops are healthier but still packed with mouth-watering flavors. Cook For You presents juicy tender moist air-fried chicken lollipops. Every single piece is incredibly tender, juicy and moist. Do try this quick and easy recipe. Let's begin. Preheat the air fryer. In a mixing bowl, take chicken niblets with skin. Wash and pat them dry. Add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon oregano. 1/4 teaspoon paprika or chili powder. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons corn flour. Combine well. Add 1 teaspoon tandoori masala. Mix well. Add some lemon juice. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 2 tablespoons smoked barbecue sauce. 1 tablespoon Szechuan chutney. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Mix everything well. If you have time, then marinate for 15 minutes. Spray some oil in the air fryer basket. Give it a good mix. Make sure chicken niblets coat evenly. Place them in the air fryer basket. Again, spray some oil. Pop them in. Set temperature and time. Bake at 195 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Instead, you can also use the chicken preset button. You can also bake them in an oven. I recommend check halfway through and inspecting them. Flip halfway through. Again, brush some leftover marination. Cook them for the remaining time. Keep an eye on it to avoid burning. Baking time may vary depending on the size or type of the air fryer. Our delicious air-fried chicken niblets or lollipops are ready to enjoy. It's plating time. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Craving perfectly cooked, juicy and tender chicken lollipops without the guilt of deep frying? This is the perfect recipe for you. These lollipops are healthier but still packed with mouth-watering flavors. Every single piece is incredibly tender, juicy and moist. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.